My wife is shaken after seeing that Lwandle and Qhawe are getting along and starting to spend time together. What could that mean? Could it mean that Qhawe and Lwandle... I don't know. Let's talk about that and more here on this video. But first, I would like to request you guys to like it. And if you're subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by holding down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Oh well, it looks like Mawethu and Lwandle's rivalry will never end. Just when they start to get along since that whole virus, antivirus and sabotage saga, I really thought that everything was put behind them, but then it looks like there's a new prize that is worth fighting for. Mawethu realized that he is never getting back with Zweleka again, so he decided that no man, let me get back to Qhawe and fix things with her. I don't know, he probably thought that was going to be easy, but Qhawe azingenang. She told Mawethu that he needs to come clean and tell her why he broke up with her the first time, of which Mawethu couldn't talk. So Qhawe told him that they will only get back together when they start talking. Now from that scene, Qhawe was seen being close to Lwandle and cold towards Mawethu. And Lwandle saw that as an opportunity to get closer to Qhawe and decided that he was also going to shoot his shot. And Mawethu is not really happy about this. He went to Lwandle and told him that akaphume uQhawe, and knowing Lwandle, he enjoys pissing Mawethu off, so will definitely continue. Qhawe as well, as much as she doesn't like Lwandle, I think she will entertain him anyway ngoba efuna ukwenza uMawethu abe nesikhwele. So I find this whole thing very interesting. So comment in the comment section, ladies and gentlemen. Share your thoughts, opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoyed this content, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.